Hi foodies, welcome back to Mellowbites Saladelicious series episode number 4. Today we are making a super quick and tasty sweet potato salad in Indian style. This salad is special because it's not just colorful and delicious but also packed with wholesome nutrition and incredible textures. It's filling enough to be a complete meal. Let's begin by steaming the sweet potatoes. I'm using my Eyeball multipurpose cooker to steam them quickly and perfectly. Once the sweet potatoes are cooked and cool, let's get started. In a salad bowl, add 2 cups of cooked and cubed sweet potatoes. It gives instant energy. Next, add half cup of cubed cucumber. Great for hydration. Add 1 red bell pepper chopped. It's best for immunity, and add 2 carrots cubed. It's great for vision. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onions, a great detox, and half cup of pomegranate seeds full of antioxidants. And here we go, add 1/4 cup of boiled peanuts, great source of protein, and finally sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro. It gives a nice aroma. Now, let's whip up a simple yet flavor-packed salad dressing. In a small bowl, add half teaspoon of cumin powder, a pinch of black salt for that nice charred flavor, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, one and a half tablespoon of lemon juice for nice tangy flavor, and finally salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything really well until it's smooth and combined. Now let's pour this yummy dressing over the salad. Gently toss everything together, making sure all the veggies are beautifully coated. And there you have it, a super healthy, wholesome and filling sweet potato salad that's perfect as a light meal, a quick snack, or even a vibrant party dish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes here at Mellowbites. See you next episode. Bye.